Peeps! It is April 13th, 2018, and we are here at Target because today is the day that the Solo Star Wars Story action figures and Funko Pops and all that stuff is supposed to start to come out. So we're going to head on in and see if we can find anything. Only a couple folks here, certainly not the crowds we saw for Last Jedi or Rogue One or any of those. So a couple of folks got here right at opening and they're still setting up. So we're actually kind of going through the stuff before they put it on the shelves. But here's the setup that's going to be at your local Target. On the other side over here they have Lando. Oh, he's blocked off. But let's push this out of the way. Oops, let me not break in. There he is. Smooth. So here are the Han Solo figures. Now obviously these aren't all from the Han Solo movie. Some of them are from other movies, but you can tell they're Han Solo because of the yellow packaging. That's indicative of the Han Solo line. So you've got K2SO, obviously not in Han Solo, but Kira is. Looks like they interact with Force Link 2.0, so there must be a new Force Link coming out. This is one of the new Stormtroopers from the movie. Pretty cool looking. Here's another one of the new Stormtroopers. This is the Range Trooper. Let's see. Maz Kanata, who I'm pretty sure is not in the movie, but you never know unless this is a spoiler. I kind of doubt it though, because I'm pretty sure Old Man Luke isn't in Han Solo, considering Han Solo is a prequel. Here's that Range Trooper and another Luke. And over here, you've got the Black Series figures. So you've got a Death Star Trooper over here. There's the Range Trooper over there. Let's see, another Death Star Trooper. Maz Kanata again. And up here, you've got young Han Solo. Pretty cool. He doesn't look very different than the normal Chewbacca. He doesn't look like younger Chewbacca, like with the goggles and stuff, but this is definitely the Han Solo line, because there's young Han Solo on the back. Here's a look at the Pops. You've got L337, Rio Durand, Val, Kira, Enfys Nest. That guy's pretty sweet looking. And another L337. They actually didn't get the exclusives here at this Target yet. And here's a look at the Enfys Nest swoop bike with the 3 3/4 inch figure. That is pretty sweet looking. I really like the look of that guy. Pretty sure this has nothing to do with Han Solo.
No.
And again, we've got the Nerf guns.
Yeah.
They've got this miniature Millennium Falcon.
What I'll end up doing is
And
I'll end up
I
taking
guess you can't fit the figure in there, but they've got a big one down there.
the legs.
And here's the big Millennium Falcon, the Kessel Run Millennium Falcon, which I think we know that the Kessel Run's going to be part of the movie. Han Solo's in it. It's got the new design for this movie. Break apart parts. Now that's cool. And here's a better look at the Kessel Run Millennium Falcon. Blast off panels. The figure doesn't really fit in it like he normally would unless he's taking a nap. Removable coaxium. Force Link 2.0. There's the new Force Link. Very cool. Okay, and here's a look at some of the Legos. Moloch's Land Speeder. There's Moloch right there with Rebolt. Corellian Hound. Okay. And over here we have the Imperial TIE Fighter. Mimban Stormtrooper, Imperial Pilot, Han Solo in disguise, and Tobias Beckett. That is the character played by Woody Harrelson. And over here you have the Imperial Patrol Battle Pack. To be all our Target got. But if you guys saw more at your Targets or your Walmarts or any of that stuff, let us know down in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button, and stay tuned here for more Star Wars merchandise, Han Solo, all sorts of cool stuff. We will see you guys next time.